Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Let me share with you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were long from yesterday and we were expecting short at this level, but as you can see here, after this candle, price nicely broken this trend resistance line, and after this breakout we had this pullback. You can see here after this breakout pullback, and we had a nice long trade here. Price nicely hit to the profit target and banked beautiful pips, and we also had it afterwards today at the New York session once the price broken this previous high. So we're expecting here another long trade here. So tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to break this major resistance, because if you look at the previously price broken and retest. Let's see tomorrow if the price gonna break, then long here. If the price is going to develop double top here, then possibility of counter short trade here. We'll let you know tomorrow. And another way to look at here, you can see here another triangle pattern is developed. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you guys how I analyze today here and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. If you look at the yesterday, and this yesterday we had this short trade here, and then afterwards once the price break and retest, and we have this long trade here as soon as the price broke on the previous high. As you can see here in intraday, that was a beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the resistance level and the fib channel, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. We had a possibility of short trade here, and that's what we explained to my trader. And then we had a counter short trade, only a few PBs, as explained to my trader. Look for the price if the price is going to break. We had this breakout. After the breakout, we also had a pullback, but price nicely respected the support level. And at the New York session, even though the news was good for the dollar, but as explained to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it. So we had a valid technical pattern. We were looking this breakout as mentioned in the analysis. So we have this breakout. As soon as the price broken, you can see here break above this previous high, we had another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained to my trader, you can bank some profit or move your stop loss to the break even. So we had amazing long trade on Euro USD. We'll let you know tomorrow about further about Euro USD. Let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar in 4-hour chart, this rejection give us the early sign of reversal, as you can see here. Yesterday we have this beautiful breakout and we had a long trade here, bank beautiful pips, and at the New York session we also had another beautiful long trade here as soon as the price broke on this previous high, and then we had another long trade here. Let me share with you guys tomorrow. We'll see. As you can see here, the price is at the major resistance level. If the price gonna break, then we're gonna keep taking a pullback, another possibility of pullback, long trade here. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We'll find if any valid technical pattern, we're going to take a trade accordingly. But let me share with you how I analyze market today and squeeze some nice juicy pips on pound dollar. If you look at pound dollar, we had this yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch it. We had this beautiful short trade here. Afterwards, price reverse, and as explained to my trader, we have this rejection in 4-hour. And afterwards, we're looking here breakout if the price is going to break this previous high. So we can see here this breakout long trade here, bank few PPs as soon as the price hit to the previous high at this level. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. At the New York session, as you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout, because you can see here that's the previous high in as you can see here in 4-hour. And explain to my trader, look here, the price develop a double top, double bottom here. If the price is going to break, we're going to take a trade accordingly. As you can see here, price nicely broken, long trade here, and afterwards, as I always explain to my trader, keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected to the orange EMA, even though you can see here after this breakout, pullback at this level. So we had a 1 breakout, 2 pullback long on pound dollar. Amazing profit on pound dollar today. Dollar CAD, we had an amazing trade yesterday. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a yesterday beautiful long trade here once the price respected, and we had this long trade here. Today we were short as soon as the price broke on this previous low. We had this beautiful short trade here, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the support level. We also had a counter long trade here, only few pps. Let me share with you how I analyze market, and tomorrow we'll see if the price gonna break this long trade here. If the price is going to develop pullback, then short trade here. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you how I analyze market today. If you look at the yesterday, we had this beautiful long trade here, bank few pps, and today, as explained to my trader, we are looking the same level which previously price developed yesterday. And if you look at here, and that's the level, price nicely broken, as you can see here. After this breakout, pull back short trade here as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. And after banking some profit today, and as you can see here, we had this reversal. But as always mentioned, guys, we are looking a valid technical pattern. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous level at this exactly, which is broken, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So you can see we had amazing trade on dollar CAD to the New York session. We had amazing trades, especially on Kiwi dollar and Aussie dollar and the dollar Swiss franc. So let me share with you the Kiwi dollar. You can see here in 4 hour, I explained to my trader if the price gonna break this previous high, so we're gonna be taking a long trade here and pull back long, and the target was this level, which is nicely hit at this level. You can see here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. We had this analysis previously, and that's the triangle symmetry, triangle pattern breakout. And afterwards at the New York session, once the price came back here, and that's what I explained to my trader. Look, if the price is going to break this previous high, which is, you can see here in 4 hour, and then we're going to consider this one. Technically, we call a pullback long, but if the price is going to break, because we were expecting a news, and let's see here if the price going to break, then short trade here. But we had such a beautiful pullback long here, another pullback long here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target in 4 hour, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades today, guys. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where we train people with a live market through live intraday analysis. And once they develop their trading skill and produce consistency result, we can also help them to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train traders with a live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best. Bye bye.